example to express a equation of a circle when coordinates of the center and radius is given to us. Now, let coordinates of a center be C4, 5, radius of circle r is equal to 7 units, and Px, y be any point moving, it is a moving point, any moving point on a circle. And in the figure also I just mentioned constant center, moving point and a radius. Now, equation of circle in standard form is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Now, plotting the points, putting the coordinates, not plotting, plus y minus 5 whole square is equal to 7 square. Now, this becomes x square negative of 8x plus 16 plus y square negative of 10y plus 25 is equal to 49, or this becomes x square plus y square negative of 8x negative of 10y 16 25 and 49 minus 8 is equal to 0. So, this is the required equation of circle. Required equation of circle.